Alright. Whoa, 2-minute video. Okay, so we have blue and fresh. We are going to do the probability of blue times the probability of fresh. Okay, so all we have to do is really just make sure that they are equivalent. They are the same. Okay, so and again, you can use either one, whichever one that's just easier to use, whichever one is just whatever floats your boat, really. Okay, so blue and fresh. So the probability of blue and fresh, so there's blueberries, fresh, so that's going to be 20 out of our big total of 140. Okay, the probability of blueberries, so that's going to be total blueberries overall, so that's 156 over, not 156, silly me, 140 times, and then the probability of fresh. So that is a total of 50 over 140. Okay, so this is the one instance where it's going to be like, you're going to get ugly fractions, and you're kind of going to look at the decimals. Don't actually say decimals as solution, but you are going to look at the decimals. Okay, so let me grab my calculator real quick. Alright, here's my calculator. So we have 56 divided by 140 times 50 divided by 140. Alright, and then 20 divided by 140. Oh my, it's the same fraction. So we say, yay! Okay, they are, okay, the same value. So we can say, yes, they are independent. And this is what I would expect in terms of work. Okay, I would expect to see some sort of statement, what formula you're using, you know, with all the appropriate labels. And then I would expect to see the actual probabilities and a check mark or an X, whatever you want to say. And then you say, yes, independent, or no, not independent. Okay, so I will tell you that I want you to try and find the independence of the avocados in frozen. So pause the video right here. It's like we're back in COVID. Pause the video right here and find the independence. Yeehaw. Alright, so if you did this correctly, you should have found that they are not independent. Okay? Avocados and frozen are not independent, so they do affect one another. Okay? They are not the same value. Okay? And that's it. That is everything that we will be talking about. And then the next day we'll be doing some more fun stuff. Okay? Alright. So you should be able to do the day 5 homework now. If you have any questions, save them for tomorrow. And I'll be passing back your quizzes later this week. Alright. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. You guys are the best.